Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm gonna be doing a quick test and it comes to you by one of our viewers actually. He suggested this recently. See, in the last few weeks I've been able to make some videos on my current drone, my Mavic Air 2. I did a test of how long it takes to take it out on the river or on the lake. Like, I took it about 3 miles out. I put the links of those videos below. I did it on normal mode and I did it on sport mode. I took it out, it came back in. I measured how much battery was left, how long it take. And this viewer suggested that I do a hovering test. I was like, oh, that's also like a pretty good idea, as well within my skill set. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a new battery on the Mavic Air 2. I'm going to actually bring it up in this into the air, maybe 50, 100 feet at the most. It's not gonna be too much. And I'm just gonna let the battery run out and I'm gonna time it to see how long it takes. I'll switch you guys into the screen real quick. There's a few details I need to go over. It's very important that I mentioned. So without further ado, let me get to it. Okay, I bet you guys see me right now. So as you guys can see on the screen right about here, you guys gonna see the battery's at 100%. RC signal is about full. So let me go ahead and show you guys a few things before we get started. I'm gonna tap on the battery. Let me put it on the air. It's probably a better idea. Let me go and get started.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There we go. I'm gonna point the camera down at me. Let me go ahead and get the timer started on my phone. Starting fresh. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and get started. I just started the timer. See how long it takes. Right now the battery is at 99%. There's a few things I need to show you. You guys see the little battery? It says it gives you an estimate of 31 minutes. Well, it does give you an estimated time or how much you got of flight time. Right now, obviously, I'm currently on hover mode. I'm gonna put it on tripod, which more or less, it puts it on scene mode. See, slow speed. It keeps it right there and steady. You guys can see me. So right now, what I'm gonna show you guys is that this specific drone, unfortunately, does not give you a choice to set a specific set of percentage of battery. Instead, it gives you different warnings across the board from 50%, 40, 30, 20, until you choose to bring it down. When the first warning pops up, I'm gonna show it to you guys, okay? Anyway, let me go ahead and let this drone do its thing. All right.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Alrighty, so it seems I just got my first warning at 15%. I've seen it before at 50 and at 30, but this time it just gave it to me at 15. I'm gonna go ahead and wait to get close to 5 and bring it down.
Critically low battery.
So it looks like
Critically
the
low battery.
drone automatically forced the drone to come landing at 10%. So that was interesting. All right, let me switch you guys. Let me stop my own timer. And let me switch you guys to the regular camera. All right. Well, guys, I think that was a very successful flight. The drone gave us an estimation of 31 minutes, and I actually got 28 minutes and 48 seconds of hovering. And that wasn't very high either. That was like maybe 34 feet, I think it was on the screen. Yeah, 34 feet. That's actually pretty good. So that gives you guys an answer or an estimation or an idea if you plan to use in the Mavic Air 2 hovering or in tripod mode and how long it'll take. it looks like the drone forced itself to come landing at 10%, which is, I think, is kind of cool. You know, I think it's a safe way to keep the drone in itself. It's too bad that unlike the Mavic Pro, the one that I used to have, where I could manually set it up so it'll land where I want it. Regardless, I think that's a pretty cool safety feature. I think this was a successful video, and thank you for the fellow viewer who suggested this. And I'm gonna be sending you this link directly to you so you can check it out. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.